Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Jahidul Islam Rimon. I am from Patuakhali Shodor, Bangladesh. I complete my SSC examination from Patuakhali Golf Jubilee High School and HSC from Patuakhali Golf College. In my SSC examination, I achieved a GPA of 4.72 and in my HSC examination, I achieved a GPA of 4.92. These results reflect my dedication and hard work throughout my academic journey. At present, I am studying in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. My ID is 2415604. In my young age, I was highly interested with technologies and computers. This interest inspired me to choose computer science and engineering as my field of study. I enjoy programming and learning new technologies. I learn different type of languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, C, C++, HTML, CSS, SQL, etc. Beside academic, I solve different type of programming problems and improve my analytical thinking skills because I believe that this skill is help in my future and my present study. Currently, I am focusing on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence because I believe that this technology will help to shaping my future. I want to become a data scientist, machine learning engineer, and artificial intelligence. I want to solve real world problem and solving new idea to benefit people. The another important goal of my life is to complete my higher study in abroad with full funded scholarship. I believe that success comes through hard work, discipline, and dedication. That's why for achieve my goals, I used to dedicate for my skill and study. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present myself. I am excited about the future and achieve my goal with hard work. Thank you, everyone.